guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything is going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I'm gonna do a full face glam with you guys, but in an easy way. So before I do my makeup with you guys, I just wash my face with my cleanser, a little bit of liquid glass by Farsali to moisturize a little bit, and also mineral by Vichy. This is a mineral booster, and also I applied a little bit of sun cream because here I have too much lights in the studio, so yeah, I always like to apply sun cream. And now that I just pulled my hair back, I'm ready to apply my foundation. And something that I want to mention for you guys, never forget to apply a few products before you do your skin to prep your skin, because it will help me in the end result. So the foundation that I'm gonna use today is Born This Way by Too Faced, and the shade that I'm gonna use is Vanilla. To moisturize my lips, I'm gonna use the only thing that I have here in front of me, which is this lip gloss, and this is for volume, and this is from First Kiss. And now that I finished to apply my foundation, I'm gonna apply contour in my face, and today I'm gonna use the Samways, and this is the shade Medium 3. To apply this contour in my face, I'm gonna use the flat foundation brush by Maven Beauty. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the product and apply where I want to create some shadow in my face, just to sculpt a little bit. So here. Here I always like to apply less product, and here a little more, and also in my nose. Before I set my face, I'm gonna apply a little bit of blush in my cheeks. So today I'm gonna use this by The Balm, and this is the Stain blush in the shade, let me see the shade, Teal. Oh my god, at least it didn't broke. Okay, by the way guys, I was not waiting for it, and if it was broken now I would cry because I really love this color. So I'm gonna apply with a fluffy brush in my cheeks, and the reason why I'm doing this before I set my makeup is because I want my blush to stick in the foundation. To set, I'm gonna use translucent powder by Laura Mercier, and to apply I'm gonna use the same brush that I was applying my blush. Next I'm gonna do my eyes with you guys, so look at this. I love this look matte, but I thought that I would apply a glitter on top, but looking at this, I don't know if I'm gonna apply glitter or not, because I really like it like this. So before I do anything else, I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow base in this side with you guys, and today I'm gonna use Painterly Paint Pots by MAC. And to apply, I'm gonna use a concealer brush. To set the eyeshadow base, I'm gonna apply a little bit of translucent powder again here in this little brush. Now I'm gonna use Medium Blend Palette by Maven Beauty, and I'm gonna mix these two colors together. To mix, I'm gonna use a small brush like this, and I take a little bit of each one, and I'm gonna apply in my crease. Next, I'm gonna apply gel liner in my eyes. Today I'm gonna use Wicked by Sigma, and I'm gonna use a black liner to do this eyeliner right here. As you can see, this is not a cat eye, so it's a little more lower to create this effect more to the foxy side. And now with a flat brush like this, I'm gonna smudge the lower lash line. Now to smudge a little more the lower lash line, I'm gonna use the same brown eyeshadows that I was using before. I just applied my fake lashes in my eyes, and now I'm gonna apply a little bit of highlighter. Today I'm gonna use the shade Jeopard Up by Maven Beauty, and this is the shade. So I'm gonna apply with this brush just in the highest points, and this highlighter is buttery, so I'm gonna apply just a little bit because it's very pigmented, just to give me a little bit of glow in my face. And to conclude this look, I'm gonna apply a red lipstick, and today I'm gonna use Diablita by Maven Beauty as well. And this is how I conclude this makeup look. I really hope that you like it. As you can see, it's very glamorous and wearable. So if you like, you can add some glitter in the top lid. But I decided to leave it matte because I really like the effect. So comment down below what you think about this makeup look, and also what you want to see next here in my channel. And I see you later in the next videos. Bye!